Hey Laura, you're not going to go anywhere, are you? Because
Yes.
I'm going to have you help me remove that sauna. You up to it?
Not yet, Joe.
Okay, well, I'm going to get everything ready. Hey, can you tell me quickly about your boots here? Here, I won't show you. Here, just tell me. You just got these back from your boot cleaner person, and you said one of these was rattlesnake boots.
Yes.
This is real rattlesnake right here, and they cut it in strips, and somehow they attach that. That looks pretty cool. And usually they'll just go up the bottoms. The uppers are usually leather of some sort. Calf leather. Rattlesnake boots. Now this other one, this other set, this was kind of cool. I think. What'd you say was full quill ostrich? Black cherry ostrich. Ostrich.
No, the stain is black cherry.
The stain is black cherry. This is ostrich leather, I guess. And what are the red ones?
Just plain calf, and they're ropers. They're very old.
Okay, just plain calf. But
I like them.
But they were all dirty, and she took them to get them cleaned up and stuff. Don't those look nice? Yeah, she's got all kinds of boots here. She's gonna take in some more to the boot man, and he reconditions them, cleans them, and I don't know, does different things to them. Okay, that's not what this video is about, but I just thought I'd share with you her boots.